everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And for everybody else, hi guys! And not that we don't love the people stopping by. Come on in. We'd love to have you actually. So, you know, like subscribe. I'm cute. I'm pretty nice actually. Okay guys, happy Friday. Oh my God, it's one of those days, you know, when I have like a ton of energy and I don't know what to do with all my energy. So I'm like, oh my God, like it just boils up. I don't know how do other people get like this or just me? I feel like I have like way too much energy sometimes. I know I drive people crazy with my energy, but it is what it is. It's just a lot of it. Maybe it's because I'm short and it all like builds up. I don't know. Okay, so let's do some decorating. I am almost done. Like, I think I'm done. I think after this, I think I'm done. Like, I actually think I caught up and I'm done. I'm gonna try not to make this video too long. So let's get decorating. I tried to adjust the lighting. I don't know if it works or not. Okay, so I got this little wire cloche here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna build a vignette around my lamp. And I'll show you everything I'm using. It's really simple actually. So I got this bunch of carrots from Walmart, a little cabbage from Pier 1, and I actually got these on clearance. And then a little dollar store bunny, because he's so cute and we need bunnies. Okay, but I got this little wreath from Hobby Lobby. And then let me show you this if you're interested in this. See this here? It's just a wire, chicken wire, white cloche. It's from Michael's. I think it's from the Tiny Treasures collection. So all I did was this. I put the wreath down here. And then I put the little bunny. If I put it here, can you see? Let me see if you can see it. Let me bring you in closer. You can see it there a little bit better. I kind of brought you in closer. Okay, so I put the bunny, I put the carrots in the back, and I put the cabbage. And then, can you see that? Guys, I tried to bring you in a little bit closer, but I just did this. So I just added the wreath and then the bunny and the carrots. And I'm gonna place it actually over here on this side. And you'll see why. So that's part of my vignette right there. And we're gonna play with this a little bit. So again, these are such random objects, but you'll understand why I use them. I got an old Bath and Body Works candle, but I'm using it as a prop to sit something on this. So I got this here, and then I got this little guy. Isn't he the cutest? He's so cute, right? So cute. Okay, I had this guy from last year, and I'm pretty sure he's either from Home Goods or TJ. I think he might be from Home Goods. I think he's from Home Goods, but look how cute he is. Oh my God. I love these kind of bunnies. Okay, so what I did is I propped Mr. Bunny on the candle like that, but you see his greenery is kind of hiding. How did I have him? His greenery is hiding the candle base. Well, we're gonna hide that even more. So I have this little greenery. It's called parsley. How befitting. I got it from Walmart, and I just wrapped it back there like that. So now you got a little more greenery. So you really can't see the base of that candle. And then I just took two of these little Dollar Tree carrots, and I just added them right there. So there's my top vignette. And basically, you'll see why I have it like this when we move over to the next shelf, because that it'll make sense. Okay guys, I had to move you because this is really hard to film down here actually. So you know me, I'm a little extra. I had to put some glam in here. So I got these last year, if you're new. If you're not new, you've seen them. They used to be up there. But I put one on my bell box, and then I put one, and the bigger one down here. And I have them angled like that, and you'll see why in a minute. Now, of course, it's caught. So hard to film down here. Okay. Do you remember this garland that I got and I used it on the fireplace? Well, I've changed the fireplace since like a long time ago. Anyways, I thought I still like this garland, and I like the white and the green and the pink of it. So I am actually going to use this garland here on my shelf like that. And I kind of like that the leaves drape over, and you know, you could see the roses. Hold on, my position is good. There we go. And now I'm happy having this garland here. I'll show it to you better, but let me show you what I'm gonna get on here. Okay, so following my spring and Easter theme, I love this bird. I'm gonna use him. He's the one from Pier 1 that I got that had the broken tail. Okay, Mr. Birdie is gonna go right here. Position this the way I want it. There. So now I got a vignette. So it's kind of glam, right? But then the garland is kind of making it a little rustic. Okay, let me show you what I'm gonna use now. Okay guys, filming like this is so difficult. I'm on my knees because obviously the shelves are low. Okay, this is what I wanted to tell you about these shelves. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and then I'll explain. These are really vignettes, okay? They're really vignettes on a surface. So this vignette would easily look very pretty on like a sideboard table or sorry, I'm bending down, or a couch, like those tables behind the couch. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is just I'm placing these little felt eggs, like these little velvety eggs here and there because, you know, I gotta bring some color in. And I'm also placing the little Dollar Tree carrots with them. And then this little nest that I have from Hobby Lobby, it's gonna go right here with the little bird. Now I know I had it positioned perfectly before, and all of a sudden it's not. There you go, there. Okay, cause it's, you know, it's for Easter, right? So I wanted color and stuff. And that's what I really wanted to tell you guys is that, sorry, I know I have my back turned to you, but I want to show you what it kind of looks like. Okay guys, this is so difficult filming here. The lighting is just terrible. So I hope this video turns out, and I'm gonna have to use some serious editing skills, which I don't have. But anyways, these are my tips and tricks, and I really wanna share them with you. So when I do my shelves, it's, you can use this on a sideboard, a coffee table. You could totally do a vignette. I mean, replace the lamp with a big candle holder and then you got yourself a vignette. This you could do on a mantle, on a sideboard, you know those tables that you put on the back of the couch? This would look really cute. This is like an inexpensive garland, and guys, this is like dollar store stuff. And then that's how I like to decorate. Just so you know, that's how I like to decorate. I like to take really high-end stuff and really, really low-end stuff and mix it all together. And I love, love, love to mix rustic and glam together. I mean, glam. This is my version. Hey guys, Mia's gonna start barking again, and I don't want this video to be too long. I just decorated the bottom shelf, and I want to show you the other shelf also and give you like some explanation and explain why I've done it this way and why the other one is that way and what's the symmetry behind it and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you and explain. Hey guys, let me show you the bottom shelf first because you never seen that one. Those little things, they are not bookends. They're actually just little statues. Oh my goodness, egg statues that I had forever and ever and ever. So I just put some of my favorite books there and I made them bookends. And then I have that little Dollar Tree DIY I did. And then on the other side, there's just a picture of my monkey at her primary school graduation. And then here you can see the entire shelf. Okay, guys. Miss Mia is on a serious rampage. So there's the shelf done with the little eggs and the bird, and then those, I guess they're like apothecary jars. And then here's the top shelf, and I absolutely love how this turned out. And I've never put the lamp in the middle, and I just love it. I think it looks great, and at night it looks really, really nice. I'm gonna pan back so you can see it in its entirety. There you go. There's the entire shelf in its entirety. Okay, so here's the other side. Here it is. It almost looks identical, right? Right. And that's what I like recreating. So you saw on the other one, I had a big wire cloche. Well, on this side, I have a tiny one, but I used the wreath again, and I used the carrots. But I couldn't fit the bunny in the cloche, so the bunny's on the outside. And then there's a bunny on the other side, and they're about the same size. So on this guy, he's got a little, I hauled him for you this year actually. And I used the parsley with him and the dollar store carrots. And then on the second shelf, you remember those two glam apothecaries? Well, here we go. We got another two of those, but these ones are different. They're round and they're bigger. So the bird on this shelf is actually smaller, but the garland's the same and the eggs are the same and the little nest is the same. And I just mimicked it. And then on the bottom shelf here, because I have the books on the other side, actually the books on the other side are there because of this box. In that box there, I keep all my nail supplies because I like to do my own nails. And then I just added this cute little bunny holding a cabbage, and it's got a green topiary on it. So yeah, so there's the shelf. So I'm gonna give you a look of this one again. Oh, and on this one, there's a picture of my Angela. And actually there's a picture of my grandma on the other. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And I totally love your comments. You guys know that. You know that I answer all my comments, and I just love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have a great Friday evening. I hope you have an amazing, amazing weekend. I hope something magical happens for you. And yeah, let's see what happens for me this weekend. I hope it's a good one. Thank you so, so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And let's pray to God that this video's editing is pretty decent. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys.